All right, YouTube. Welcome to part 2. This is part 2 of our $100 purchase we bought at the flea market today. I think this is the last binder. We just didn't have time to show you everything. But this is all non-sports stuff. And guess what, guys? I think we did pretty good. Here's some Marvel. No idea what this stuff's worth. Don't know if it's a set. It might be a set. I don't know. But guess what, guys? I don't do these non-sports cards, but I know some of these coming up's pretty hot. Look at this, guys. There's a bunch of holograms in there. And some of this stuff is really expensive nowadays. There's only one that I know to look for. So if you see a Charizard in there, we might be in the money. I need to look and find out if any of these are first editions. I guess the first editions are worth the most. So if you see anything in there you think is like good, let me know. I know nothing about this stuff. Like I said, I just wanted the TTM, and then I saw these Pokemon. I'm like, man, some of that Pokemon's going crazy right now. I know if you can find a Charizard, like first edition, and if you get it graded like a 10.0 or whatever, you know, some of them are going for like $1 million or something. Like crazy prices. My buddy told me a couple other guys to look out for. I can't remember. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Looky here, guys. Charizard. And guess what? If we keep coming down here, boom! Another Charizard. That's awesome, dude. Look at that. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what they are. I think this one might be different than the other one because this one has a little thing. Is that first? See, I don't know where the first editions... My buddy said they would be marked first edition. He said, I don't know what that thing is. Dude, if that's first edition, we would be doing really good. No clue. I need to look into it a little bit more. But if that's a first edition, dude, like I said, this stuff looks like it's in great shape. Like they just took it from the packs and put it in these sheets. So I don't think these have been really touched, you know, too much. They weren't played with. They weren't abused. But like I said, I didn't look at these things at all because I know nothing about them. I glanced through them and I saw there were some holograms, and I figured, heck, if I could get $5 or $10 for like some of those hologram ones, that's a cool looking one. I don't even know if that's a Pokemon. That can't be a Pokemon. That's pretty cool though. Yeah, this is awesome, man. I need to learn a little bit more about Pokemon. I can look them up and see what they're worth, but every week I have people ask me if I have Pokemon cards. But there's a ton of them in here. Hopefully I didn't lose all my audience members and be like, Pokemon, what is that crap? But I'm telling you guys, these Pokemon cards sell really well. And like I said, I think that one card might be a good one. I don't know. Like I said, I gotta look it up some. Like I said, I just breeze through everything. You know, you guys know me. I'll just breeze through it. I like doing that because I don't really want to know what's in there. Like I said, if I know that something's in there and it's really good, I'm going to overpay for it. So I would rather not know what's in there and just kind of go at the low end and say, I just think it's worth this because I didn't see anything. And then when you come home, you're like, oh, wow, I just got something good. It feels good to have something good and you didn't pay a lot for it. Rather than knowing you have something good and you like overpaid for it because you wanted it, you know? Wow, there's a ton of Pokemon. I don't see, these aren't holograms anymore, so these might be not worth anything. I don't know. Like I said, I know nothing about these Pokemon cards. But I just know to look for Charizard. And I didn't know there was 2 Charizards in there. That's freaking crazy. More Pokemon. I know Pikachu. I know him. My daughter plays Pokemon Go. She can tell me who these people are. I didn't realize there was so much Pokemon. Like I said, I just flipped through it, saw it was non-sports, and I was like, I have no interest in this non-sports. But if I can get it cheap, I'll buy it, you know? Like I said, these other ones have to be worth something. I don't know. Like I said, I think there's a site that you can go to and look them up. And I didn't realize there were so many Pokemon cards. I was hoping to find 5 or 6 more Charizards in there. That would have been nice. But it looks like all the hologram ones are gone now. There's Charmander. Yeah, this is all probably junk. I don't know. Wow, I didn't know there were so many. These things, they said these things got to be worth something. Even if I got like $1 a piece or something for some of these. Bunch of trainer cards, energies. Crap. I don't know what this stuff is. Oh, YuGiYo. Okay. I got YuGiYo cards too, guys. I don't know if they're any good or not. There again, if you know anything about YuGiYo cards, you see anything good, let me know. I've never seen a YuGiYo card in my life. Yeah, this is crazy, guys. I don't know, like I said, I paid $100 for everything. That includes everything that was in the first video, too. Like all the sports cards, and I think I showed the Elvis stamps. Like there was a few hundred, like Elvis stamps of some sort. Oh, here's some Wizard of Oz cards. A bunch of those. There's Lion King cards. That's insane, guys. I'm gonna have to, like I said, do research on that Charizard, because if that one's a first edition, it's big money. Big money. Where'd that thing go? Yeah, that's crazy. That's not a hologram, though, is it? The other one was a hologram. Alright, guys, let me know. Do you think I did well? Paid $100 for everything? Got 2 Charizards? I think I did pretty good. Alright, guys, hey, thanks for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and please hit all. That way you can see all my videos. Thanks, guys. Peace. After I bought that first collection, the guy came back and sold me these 3 albums right here for $100. So I spent $200 total with the guy. And these are all Elvis stamps. Like I said, they're all cool. Like I said, I have no idea what they're worth. They gotta be worth something. I have a ton of Elvis collectors. Like I said, there's just a whole caboodle of them, and it was this nice album. Looks like it's commemorating like every movie he was ever in. I don't know if these are first day covers, maybe. I don't know. Or they're just stamps. These are like those other ones that I had. But I figure even if I get like $2 or $5 a piece for these, even $1 a piece, I ended up getting like 400. I think that last, yeah, this here, he told me there was over 400 of them. So I told him I'd give him a quarter a piece. So that was $100. So this is not the same album I showed you before. This is a different album. And it's just full of these things too. Like I said, I may put these and mat them up and sell them that way. Try to get like $10 a piece for them matted up, because I think they would really look cool. And they'd look nice on somebody's wall probably, because they talk about, like, you know, have some fun facts there and have the movie and stuff. It's just a nice little presentable piece once it's matted up. Somebody might like that movie or something, but Yeah, let me know, guys. Let me know if you think I did a good deal. Paid $200 for everything. For all the Pokemon cards, the sports cards, and these Elvis stamps. Like I said, there's 4 binders of this Elvis stuff. These are 3 binders plus another binder. So 4 binders. There's probably like 600 total altogether of this Elvis stuff. But like I said, these things are just so cool. And like I said, that's what I do for a living is I buy stuff and I resell it. So I think there's some profit here. So let me know what you guys think. I think it's awesome. I'm very happy with this deal. Have a good one, guys. I'm glad I could share it with you. Peace.